Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2010 Chevy Avalanche LT 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7941X. Only 58,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Sheer silver metallic in color. Also has the Z71 off-road package. Seats 5, leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean. Rear audio controls. Seat bottoms flip forward. Seat back folds down for additional cargo space. When you fold both seats and drop the Midgate wall, you turn a 5-foot box into an 8-foot box. Rear window is also completely removable. Additional storage on both sides of the truck. 3-piece removable hard tonneau cover, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and trailering package. Fully composite bed with a removable bed mat for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated front seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with power adjustable pedals put you in that perfect driving position, moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto mode, integrated trailer brake control, again only 58,000 miles, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen display for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, navigation, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. That's where the power adjustable pedal controls are. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Avalanche is a 5.3 liter V8, 320 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. And approximately 60 to 65% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Avalanche, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.